Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the new EZA, free to play EZA. There are two units. For the first one is this Trunks get an EZA. It's very solid. The first free to play that have a domain, so you can change your place and get evac future saga. Category superclass enemy and allies attack and defend 10%. So this guy get an easy A, and also the other trunks for Future Saga Super. This one Super Saiyan Trunks Future. This is from Future Saga Dragon Ball Super. He's got free to play easy A. This guy is already good and get some critical change. Let's check out the news first. Tap the event, scroll down, and this one. This is for the trunks. So this challenge come in this old banner, old challenge banner. Stake 3. This is the old one, and this is the new one. You have to Dokkan awaken and make him a rainbow first to take on this event, if I'm not forget. Yes, and this is the character that you should have to challenge this event. So if you do not have this character, you cannot do this event. This guy is free to play, and free to play. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is with friend summon, and you can challenge this guy and maximum his level until 140 and maximum super attack until level 15. And this is the passive that passive skill that change after EZA. It's very solid. So thank you for watching. Challenge yourself in this event. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also clicking the button below. Enjoy the game.